Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys, and today I just want to give you an update on one of the accounts that we're managing. And this is a $5,000 US account funded by the prop firm The Fivers. And you can see we have a steady and consistent growth curve, and we have a win rate of 69.39%. And you can see that we've been consistently in the profit zone in October with a total account growth of 2.32%. And check out the profits that we've generated for today. We made a total of $41.20. And we also manage other client accounts funded by different prop firms. And just take a look at the profits we made this morning on some of these accounts. On this $10,000 account funded by the prop firm FTMO, we made a total of $101.10. On this $50,000 account funded by the prop firm Quantec, we made a total of $312.21. And on this $200,000 account funded by the prop firm Funded Forex, we made a total of $367.87. And we also manage standard and cent accounts as well. Take a look at the profits we generated this morning on this standard account. On this $400 account, we made a total of $12.31. And so guys, we can definitely help to manage your standard and cent accounts and also your funded accounts after you pass your prop firm challenges. And if you want results like this, click the link below to join our Telegram group for detailed instructions on how to sign up for our account management program. And thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.